Hello everyone, my name is Rafli Arnanda Aminur Rahman. My student ID number is 22014222197. In this video, I will answer some questions for final exam cross-cultural understanding. So the first question is, what's the difference between Western and Eastern culture? So Western and Eastern culture are different in many ways. In Western countries like US or Europe, people usually focus more on themselves. They like to be independent, say what they think, and make their own choices. But in Eastern countries like Indonesia, Japan, or China, people think more about the group, especially family. They show more respect to older people and try not to make others feel uncomfortable. These different values affect how people talk, work, and live. And the second question is, how can different culture potentially create conflict in the workplace? So, different culture can sometimes cause problem at work because people have different ways of doing things. For example, someone from one culture might like to be very direct when talking, but someone else might think that's rude. Or in some culture, coming late is okay, but in others, it's a big problem. If people don't understand these differences, they might get upset or confused. That's why learning about each other's culture is important for teamwork. The third question is, how do different cultures see different concept of time and money? So not all cultures think about time and money in the same way. In Western countries, people often say time is money. They try to be fast on time and work quickly. But in many Eastern or traditional culture, time is more flexible. In Indonesia we call it rebel time. People may care more about the process and relationship than speed. And about money, some culture talk about it openly and others think it's private. Some focus on getting rich, others care more about peace or family. These views are not right or wrong, it's just different. And then the next question is, explain the difference between collectivism and individualism. Collectivism means people care more about the group, like family, friends, or team. They try to help each other and keep harmony. This is common in Asian or African culture. Individualism means people focus more on themselves. They want to stand out, follow their dreams, and make personal choices. This is common in Western countries. Both have good sides. Collectivism helps people work together, and individualism helps people be creative and free. And the last question is, what are your personal tips to have a better cross-cultural understanding for a better future? I have some tips to understand other cultures. The first one is, be open-minded. Try to learn, not judge. The second is, listen carefully and ask questions politely if you don't understand something. And the third is, don't believe in stereotypes, get to know people personally. And the fourth is, be careful with body language because it means different things in different cultures. And the last is, try to put yourself in other people's shoes. When we understand each other, we can live and work together better in the future. I think that's all from me. Thank you.